What a wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Saiba and welcome back to my channel Clumzy Lobster. For today's video, I decided to do my entire makeup with just two products. For this, first I'm going to use a foundation, and as usual I'm just going to apply the foundation on my entire face and I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. Once my entire foundation is set, I'm going to use the same foundation as my concealer. And as a concealer, I'm going to apply it under my eyes and all the problematic areas like where I have hyperpigmentation or any dark spots. Again, I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. I'm now going to use my second product, which is the NARS lipstick, and this is in the shade Toffee. I'm going to use this lipstick to contour my face. Now you might think कि lipstick से contour करना is such a weird idea, but to my surprise, this lipstick blended like butter. After I've blended my entire contour, I'm going to use the same lipstick as a blush, and I'm going to use my beauty blender again to blend it out. Now finally I'm going to use the lipstick for its actual purpose, which is to apply on the lips. And after I am done applying this lipstick on my lips, technically the makeup should be over, but I just thought कि ये कितना ज़्यादा incomplete है, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ी सी cheating करी है, and I'm using the third product, which is a mascara. Now you can skip it if you want to, and this is how the makeup turned out to be. Thank you so much you guys for watching this video. Bye.